Hey everyone, glad you could make it. Today I've got another intense video for you. I hope that these situations will be a good lesson for you as well as warning, so check this out and ride safe. When the biker saw a driver who cuts off, the group of bikers decided to react immediately. The speed and thoughtlessness of the driver didn't give the biker a chance to react.
Jesus, what are you doing? Howls, man.
This driver recklessly cuts the biker off, who decided to react strongly.
Book next time, right?
The imprudence of one of the drivers who tried to turn back almost led to a serious accident. This is one of those situations on the road when a driver behaves unexpectedly.
Hey, wind your window down. You didn't even look when you pulled in here. You almost wiped me out. You were in the far lane and I was in this lane. You just pulled in without even looking. I couldn't get to my horn. That's why I didn't beep you. Please just turn your head. We're very vulnerable, yeah? You have a good day.
Alright.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
She was in that lane, wasn't she?
Yeah. I was looking forward and then the next minute she was almost in.
Look at this. You alright, mate? Look.
The driver behind doesn't keep a safe distance at all and almost rear-ended the biker. Here we have a very similar situation, but the biker trying to react exposed the driver's malaise. What's your opinion on the whole situation?
What are you doing? You just hit me.
I have 1 meter distance. You just
I
hit
have 1
me.
meter.
Why'd you just hit me?
I have 1 meter distance. I was just checking here one camera.
When you put the finger on us, you
Just checking here one
You were
camera.
this close to me. You can't be that close. You
I
gotta be
have
further
1
away.
meter. I have 1 meter distance.
Okay, pull over, man. I want your insurance information. Well, I have no damage to my bike. Your car's got a little bit of damage. You want to come look? See if it's okay?
because you put
I have 1 meter distance. So
But you hit me. Yes, because you're so close. You were this close.
like going on now.
Are you okay? Your car's okay? Yeah, okay, whatever.
We can have some doubts whether the biker is poorly visible or if it's the fault of reckless drivers.
Sounds so weird though. Did you do it as well? Oh my god! You're lucky I don't smack your mirror, you Jesus! People do not know how to drive. Yo! Jesus!
Going over a red light was the main reason for this argument.
You like running through red lights? No, you're gonna kill someone. No, you're gonna get no. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Let's see if he comes back and wants to talk more smack. Problem is, idiots like that, boys, will pull out. You're slow! You're so slow! I said you're so slow! I said you're so slow! Bye, Felicia! Bye! It was my fault too, but God, like he pulled out, but doesn't even look at like. I could like hurt him or something, you know? Wait, what? I could have hurt myself.
No lights.
A number of mistakes pointed out by the biker were received by this driver with a smile.
Put your lights on. Your lights. Put your lights on, buddy. You only got your parkers on.
Yeah.
You've got your parkers on.
Huh?
Only your parkers are on. Put your lights on.
Oh.
And when you pull out of parking, look for people like me.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You better watch yourself, old man.
Oh, look at this. Do you want to move up a little bit?
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.